10 Coolest Doomsday Survival Gadgets 2025. Imagine a world where the unexpected happens and you're left to fend for yourself. Whether it's a natural disaster, a global crisis, or the unthinkable, being prepared is the key to survival. In 2025, the world of survival gadgets has reached new heights, offering tools and gear that are not only practical, but also incredibly innovative. These gadgets are designed to keep you safe, warm, fed, and connected, no matter your challenges. Solco Fast Fire Tinders. Regarding survival, fire is one of the most essential elements. It provides warmth, cooks food, purifies water, and even signals for help. The Solco Fast Fire Tinders are a game changer in the world of fire starting tools. These tinders are designed to ignite instantly, even in the wettest conditions, making them a must-have for any survival kit. What sets the Solco Fast Fire Tinders apart is their unique composition. Made from a blend of natural and synthetic materials, they burn hot and long, ensuring you can start a fire quickly and keep it going. Whether you're stranded in a rain-soaked forest or facing freezing temperatures, these tinders will light up with just a spark. They're compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making them perfect for any emergency situation. But the real magic lies in their reliability. Unlike traditional fire starters that can fail in damp conditions, the Solco Fast Fire Tinders are waterproof and windproof. They come in a durable, resealable pouch, ensuring they stay dry and ready for use. With these tinders in your pack, you'll never have to worry about being left in the cold. Grantsfors Bruck Small Forest Axe. A good axe is a survivalist's best friend, and the Grantsfors Bruck Small Forest Axe is no exception. This handcrafted tool is a masterpiece of Swedish engineering, designed for precision and durability. Whether you're chopping wood, building a shelter, or clearing a path, this axe is up to the task. The Grantsfors Bruck Small Forest Axe is perfectly balanced, making it easy to swing and control. Its compact size makes it ideal for carrying in your survival pack, while its sharp, high-quality steel blade ensures it can handle even the toughest jobs. The axe is also incredibly versatile, capable of splitting logs, carving wood, and even preparing food. What truly sets this axe apart is its craftsmanship. Each Grantsfors Bruck axe is made by a single blacksmith, who stamps their initials on the blade as a mark of quality. The axe comes with a protective leather sheath, ensuring it stays sharp and safe to carry. In a survival situation, this tool is more than just an axe. It's a lifeline. Hill People Gear Umlindi Survival Pack. When it comes to survival gear, having the right pack can make all the difference. The Hill People Gear Umlindi Survival Pack is a rugged, versatile backpack designed to carry everything you need in an emergency. With its durable construction and thoughtful design, this pack is built to withstand the toughest conditions. The Umlindi Survival Pack features a modular design, allowing you to customize it to your specific needs. It has multiple compartments and attachment points, making it easy to organize your gear. Whether you're carrying tools, food, water, or medical supplies, this pack has plenty of space. The pack is also designed for comfort, with padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel. But what really makes this pack stand out is its durability. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last through years of heavy use. The pack is also water-resistant, keeping your gear dry in wet conditions. With the Hill People Gear Umlindi Survival Pack on your back, you'll be ready for anything. Baofeng UV5R Pro 8.2 Radio. In a survival situation, communication is key. The Baofeng UV5R Pro 8.2 radio is a powerful, compact device that keeps you connected when it matters most. With its long-range capabilities and multiple channels, this radio is an essential tool for any survivalist. The Baofeng UV5R Pro 8.2 radio is incredibly versatile. It can be used to communicate with others in your group, listen to weather updates, or even call for help in an emergency. The radio is easy to use, with a simple interface and clear audio quality. It also has a long battery life, ensuring it will last through extended use. What makes this radio stand out is its power. With 8 watts of output, it has a much longer range than most handheld radios. It also supports a wide range of frequencies, making it compatible with other radios and emergency services. In a world where staying connected can mean the difference between life and death, the Bofeng UV5R Pro 8-duo radio is a must-have. Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System. Clean water is one of the most important resources in any survival situation. The Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System is a lightweight portable device that ensures you always have access to safe drinking water. Whether you're in the wilderness or facing a disaster, this system is a lifesaver. The Sawyer Squeeze is incredibly easy to use. Simply fill the included pouch with water from any source, attach the filter, and squeeze to get clean, drinkable water. The filter removes 99% of bacteria and protozoa, making even the dirtiest water safe to drink. It's also lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your pack. What sets this system apart is its durability. The filter can clean up to 100,000 gallons of water, making it a long-term solution for survival. It's also easy to clean and maintain, ensuring it will last for years. With the Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System, you'll never have to worry about finding clean water again. Tough Possum Gear Med Pouch. In a survival situation, having a well-stocked medical kit is essential. The Tough Possum Gear Med Pouch is a compact, durable pouch designed to carry all your medical supplies. With its high-quality construction and thoughtful design, this pouch is a must-have for any survivalist. The Med Pouch is made from tough, water-resistant materials, ensuring your supplies stay dry and protected. It has multiple compartments and pockets, making it easy to organize your gear. Whether you're carrying bandages, medications, or tools, this pouch has plenty of space. It's also lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for any situation. What makes this pouch stand out is its versatility. It can be attached to your belt, backpack, or even a vehicle, ensuring your medical supplies are always within reach. The pouch is also designed to withstand harsh conditions, making it a reliable choice for any emergency. With the Tough Possum Gear Med Pouch, you'll be ready to handle any medical situation. Ultranet Net Gun. In a survival situation, having the ability to catch food can be a game changer. The Ultranet Net Gun is a unique tool designed to help you catch small game quickly and efficiently. With its lightweight design and easy operation, this net gun is a must-have for any survivalist. The Ultranet Net Gun works by firing a net that traps small animals, making it easy to catch food in the wild. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for any situation. The gun is also easy to use, with a simple trigger mechanism and quick reloading. What sets this net gun apart is its effectiveness. The net is designed to entangle small game without harming them, ensuring you can catch food humanely. It's also reusable, making it a sustainable option for survival. With the Ultranet Net Gun, you'll never have to worry about going hungry. Leatherman Free K2 Multi-Tool. A good multi-tool is a survivalist's best friend, and the Leatherman Free K2 Multi-Tool is no exception. This compact, versatile tool is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, making it an essential part of any survival kit. The Leatherman Free K2 features a variety of tools, including pliers, knives, screwdrivers, and more. It's designed for one-handed operation, making it easy to use in any situation. The tool is also lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your pocket or pack. What makes this multi-tool stand out is its quality. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last through years of heavy use. The tools are also easy to access and use, ensuring you can get the job done quickly. With the Leatherman Free K2 Multi-Tool, you'll be ready for anything. Titan Stormproof Match Kit. When it comes to starting a fire, having reliable matches is essential. The Titan Stormproof Match Kit is a durable, waterproof set of matches designed to light in any conditions. Whether you're facing rain, wind, or snow, these matches will get the job done. The Titan Stormproof matches are made from a special material that burns even in wet conditions. They're also windproof, ensuring they'll stay lit no matter the weather. The matches come in a durable, waterproof case, keeping them dry and ready for use. What sets this match kit apart is its reliability. Each match burns for up to 15 seconds, giving you plenty of time to start a fire. The kit also includes a striker, ensuring you can light the matches even in tough conditions. With the Titan Stormproof Match Kit, you'll never have to worry about starting a fire again. 4 Patriots 2-Week Emergency Survival Food Kit. In a survival situation, having enough food is essential. The 4 Patriots 2-Week Emergency Survival Food Kit is a comprehensive set of meals designed to keep you fed during an emergency. With its long shelf life and easy preparation, this kit is a must-have for any survivalist. The 4 Patriots Food Kit includes a variety of meals, from breakfast to dinner, ensuring you have a balanced diet. Each meal is designed to be easy to prepare, requiring only water and a heat source. The food is also lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your pack. What sets this kit apart is its shelf life. The meals are designed to last up to 25 years, ensuring you'll always have food when you need it. The kit also comes in a durable, waterproof container, keeping your food safe and dry. With the 4 Patriots 2-Week Emergency Survival Food Kit, you'll never have to worry about going hungry. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.